If you're not making a YouTube channel like this, you're getting left behind. In this video, I'll guide you through all you need to know to create a killer YouTube channel with easy steps to follow. Plus, I'll reveal some secret optimization tips that many people miss to help you grow your channel and get tons of views and subscribers. So, let's start with step 1. The first step is to create an account. It's really easy. Just go to YouTube, click on the sign in button at the top right corner. Now, here's the best part. If you already have a Gmail account, you can use that same login for YouTube. But if you're brand new, don't worry. Just click the Create option below. You'll then be asked if you want to use YouTube for personal use or as a business. Since we're using YouTube for business, choose For Work or My Business. This gives you special features to help your channel grow and succeed. Here, start by selecting the second option to create a free standard Gmail address ending in @gmail.com. Next, enter your first and last name, then click on Next. After that, add your birthday and gender, and once you're done, click Next to proceed. Great. Now you have a couple of options here. If you already have an email address you'd like to use, go ahead and enter that. However, if you'd prefer a new email address, simply click Get an email address instead. From there, you can select one of the available options or create your own custom email address. Once you've made your choice, click Next to move forward. Here, create a strong password and click Next to move forward. Next, we'll need to verify your email address. Enter your phone number and the system will send a code to confirm it's you. Once you've entered the verification code, it's time to add a recovery email address. This will help you regain access to your account if you ever have any issues, such as a forgotten password or locked account. Go ahead and add backup email, then click Next to continue. Finally, review and accept the privacy policy and terms of service by clicking Agree. This will automatically take you to YouTube and you've successfully created your new Google account. Let's move on to the next step. The second step is to create your YouTube channel. Simply click on your profile picture and then select Create a Channel. Here, you'll need to write a YouTube channel name. To get some creative ideas, head over to chatgpt.com. And let's say you want to create a YouTube channel for Amazon affiliate marketing. So if you're focusing on that niche, you would type on the prompt bar, create 50 creative and unique short YouTube channel name ideas for an affiliate marketing business, focusing on names that are brandable and don't directly mention the niche. ChatGPT will then generate 50 unique and catchy channel name suggestions for you to review. Once you've found the perfect name, make sure to check those names on YouTube to see if there are any big channels that have already chosen those names. Your channel name must be unique. Once you've confirmed the name is unique, go ahead and copy it. Then, paste it into the name field on the YouTube channel creation page. Additionally, create a similar handle name that matches your channel's identity. When you finish the editing, click on the Create Channel button. Once you've clicked that, you'll have your new YouTube channel set up, but we're not quite done yet. At this point, your channel is live, but it's not fully optimized and ready to start getting tons of views. So, let's move on to the next step. Alright, the third step in setting up your YouTube channel is customizing it to make it your own. The first thing you'll want to do is click on the Customize Channel button, which will take you directly to the YouTube Studio. Once you're in the YouTube Studio, head over to the Customization tab and then select Branding. Here, you can manage your profile picture, channel banner, and watermark. First, let's start with the profile picture. It's the first thing people see on your channel, so you want it to be eye-catching. So, I'm going to show you how to create an awesome profile picture for free, using a website that's even better than Canva. First things first, head over to Keatle.com and sign up using your email address. Keatle is a fantastic website that offers a wide range of professional and free logo designs. Once you're there, click on Logos. Here, you'll find a whole bunch of cool designs that you can customize to your liking. They even have categories to help you choose the perfect style. For this example, I'm going for something simple and clean. Let's pick this one. To customize it, double-click on the text and replace it with your channel name. In my case, I'm using Nexus Nest. See how our logo is starting to take shape? You can even add more text, textures, or other elements if you want, but I think I'll keep it simple for now. Once you're happy with how your logo looks, simply click Download and save your shiny new logo to your device. Then, go back to YouTube Studio. Click on Upload next to your profile picture. Select the image that you downloaded from Kiddle. You can make any final adjustments you want, then click Save to set your new profile picture. Alright, now that we've set our profile picture, let's create a YouTube banner image. It's super simple. It's just as easy as setting up your profile picture. First, head over to wepic.com. It's a fantastic website similar to Kiddle, but it offers a wide variety of cool designs. Sign up using your email address to get started. Once you're on the website, head to the search tab and look for YouTube banner. You'll find a range of awesome banners to choose from. Pick one that catches your eye and suits your channel's vibe. When you've found the perfect banner, click Edit. This will open a window where you can customize it to your liking, remove any unnecessary text or elements, and then add your channel name. I also like to include a catchy slogan under the channel name to make it stand out. Once you're done customizing, click Download and set the size to the recommended dimensions for a YouTube channel banner, which is 2560 by 1440 pixels. Then, simply click Download and you're all set. Alright, head back to YouTube Studio and upload the downloaded image, just like before. Click Done and voila, your YouTube channel banner is now customized. One last thing to do, add your video watermark. Upload your channel logo as a watermark, customize it, then click Done, and that's it. Your channel's profile picture, banner, and watermark are all customized. Then click Publish and wait a few seconds. As you can see, our channel looks professional and polished. So, let's move on to the next step. This step is crucial for making your channel easy to find and for explaining your niche to viewers. Here's how to do it. First, click on Customize Channel. Then, select Basic Information. You'll see a field for the channel description. This is where you'll write a description that's both SEO-friendly and engaging. To write the perfect channel description, we'll use an AI tool. Head over to gemini.google.com and sign up with your email address. This AI tool will be your description writing partner. Once you're on the website, you'll find a prompt box. I've already prepared a prompt for you. It's in the description below this video. Just copy and paste it into the prompt box on the AI website. This prompt will help the AI generate a top-notch YouTube channel description for you. After you click Generate, the AI will create an ideal YouTube bio. All you need to do is copy it, head back to YouTube, and paste it into the description area of your channel settings. This optimized channel description will significantly contribute to improving the visibility and SEO ranking of your channel. Here, you can add links to your other social media profiles or your website. Just copy the web address and paste it in this box. And if you want people to contact you, you can add your email address here. But remember, don't use the email of your YouTube channel. Use a separate personal email address to avoid getting hacked. Once you've filled in all your information, just click Publish and you're done. And as you can see, it's well written. People will see your bio looking great like this. Now, let's move on to the next step. Alright, the fifth step is unlocking all the features. And this is a major step. To unlock these features, simply go to YouTube Studio, then click on Settings. Next, click on Channel, and in the menu above, select Feature Eligibility. The first step here is to add a phone number to verify your YouTube channel. This will enable you to upload longer videos and use custom thumbnails, which are essential features. To do this, click on Verify Your Phone Number. Select your country, enter your phone number, and click Get Code. Once you receive the verification number, enter it in the provided field, and your channel will be verified. And as you can see, we unlock these features using our phone number. Now, to unlock the next advanced feature, which allows us to add links to our videos, upload more videos daily, and even apply for monetization, we have to unlock this feature. And to do that, we have to build our channel history. So, in simple terms, you have to create engaging content on your videos, respond to people's comments, watch other people's videos using your channel, and like other videos. Once you've done that, this feature will automatically unlock. Now, let's move on to the next main step. The sixth step in optimizing your YouTube channel. These additional settings will boost your channel's visibility and help it rank faster in the algorithm. So, let me show you how. First, click on Settings, then select Channel. Here, start by choosing your country of residence. For example, if you're living in the United States, select that option. Now, the key step here is to add channel keywords related to your niche. To help with this, let's explore a fantastic tool for generating extremely SEO-optimized keywords for your YouTube channel. Head over to rapidtags.io, a user-friendly website that simplifies the process of finding the perfect keywords to boost your channel's visibility. Once you're on the website, you'll see a text box. Here, enter your niche. For instance, let's use Amazon Finds. After typing this in, click Search, and the website will automatically generate a set of highly SEO-optimized keywords tailored to your niche. Simply copy these keywords and paste them into the YouTube channel keyword area. This simple yet powerful technique can make a substantial difference in how your channel performs in search results. Once you've completed this step, select Advanced Features. Here, indicate whether your channel is intended for kids or not. If your channel is not made for children, simply select This channel is not made for kids, and then click Save. With these additional settings in place, your YouTube channel is now primed for optimal performance and visibility. The next step is setting your upload defaults. Start by clicking on Settings and then select Upload Defaults. From there, select Advanced Settings. Here, you'll need to choose the language for your videos. Since this channel uploads videos in English, we'll select English. Next, you'll have to pick a video category that best represents your content. For product review videos, the category should be How To and Style. Product reviews often involve demonstrating how a product works, which aligns with the how-to aspect. The style part can encompass the presentation of the review. Once you've selected the category, choose the title and description language, which in this case is also English. After making these selections, click Save. Setting these upload defaults will save you a significant amount of time when you're uploading a YouTube video. Now, let's move on to the next important step. The seventh step, which is all about making money on YouTube. So, making money on YouTube or becoming monetized can be quite a process. You typically need two things. First, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers to your channel. Second, you must have people watching your videos for a total of at least 4,000 hours in the past year. It sounds like a lot, doesn't it? But wait, there's a shortcut. You can also qualify with 10 million views on your Shorts videos in the last 90 days. Once you hit these numbers, you can apply to join the YouTube Partner Program and start earning money. Now, let's talk about the stressful part, choosing the right niche. It's hard to find a low competition niche that's profitable and create videos that stand out. But don't worry, I've made a video on the best faceless YouTube niches and how you can create insane YouTube videos. Be sure to check out this playlist and let's meet there.